Namaskar, myself Dr. Ashok Kumar Siroya, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Uh, Yesterday we have discussed about muscle contraction part first, introductory part, and today we will discuss about general structure of muscles. In general structure, muscles tissue are made up of muscle fibers. These are divided into three categories according to their histological and physiological differences. The first part of the category is skeletal muscle, second one is smooth muscles, and the third one is cardiac muscle. The skeletal muscle is named by the presence of this muscle in the bones, so we can say these are the skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles is also known as voluntary muscles because it these perform the voluntary functions in our body, and it is also known as striated and striped muscles because they have the stripes and striation in their structure. So we say these striated or striated muscles. Other part, the smooth muscles found in the visceral section of our body, and the work of these muscles are involuntary, hence we say the involuntary muscles. And because of absence of stripe in these in the structure of these muscles, so we say these muscles unstriped or unstriated. And the skeletal muscles are of complex muscles and the smooth muscles are of simple muscles. And the third one is cardiac muscles, which have the function of smooth muscles and the structure of skeletal muscles. So we can say these are the mixed muscle. If we see the comparatives of these muscles, the three type of muscles we have. The first one, skeletal muscle. In these muscles linked with bones by means of tendons, thereby it is called skeletal muscles. These are long, cylindrical and multinucleated, whereas the simple muscles or the smooth muscles, these muscles exist in visceral walls and possess simple shape. The mid region of muscle cell is broader than terminal region and provided with one nucleus. This type of structure is known as spindle shape structure. The structure of the skeletal muscle is long, cylindrical and multinucleated, whereas the simple or smooth muscles has the spindle shape and one nucleus in this muscle fiber. Function of skeletal muscle is voluntary, whereas the smooth muscles has involuntary in nature. Skeletal muscles has fast and non-rhythmic contraction and relaxation, whereas in smooth muscles the slow and rhythmic contractions occurs. In contrast to these muscles, the cardiac muscles has around the heart, known as cardiac muscles. They have some character of skeletal muscles and some smooth type of muscles. So these are known as mixed muscles, like these are structurally skeletal type and functionally smooth type of muscles. As we can see, the cardiac muscles, the skeletal muscles and the smooth muscles. and their location in our body. The cardiac muscle found in heart, and skeletal muscles found in the bones, around the bones, and the smooth muscles found in our visceral part of our body. The structure of muscle can be studied by the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscles or the voluntary muscles structure is a bundle of different kind of fibers. The finermost fiber is myofibril, found in the muscles, and these myofibrils are arranged in a parallel mode and form the muscle fiber, and other muscle fibers make fasciculi, and many fascicles joined with a parallel structure make skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles, different type of skeletal muscles make musculature system of an organism. Here we can see the outer covering of muscle fiber is endocardium. The outer covering of fasciculi is pericardium, and the outer covering of skeletal muscles is epicardium. Striated muscles are of complex structure, having a large number of muscle fibers of different lengths up to the 12 centimeters. The muscle fibers are usually found parallel to each other and are grouped in bundles or fasciculi. This is the diagram of a muscle fiber or the whole muscle, which has the tendons in both the end, and the muscle fiber is made up of small muscle fibers, and muscle fiber made up of fibrils, and fibrils are made up of myofibrils, which has actin and myosin in their structure. Each muscle fiber or muscle is composed of many such bundles. The muscle fiber, fasciculi, and the muscles as a whole are invested by connective tissue that form a continuous framework. Means the muscle fiber or the fasciculi or the muscles has their material as continuous framework is a connective tissues. The outer part of muscle fiber is endocardium. The outer covering of fasciculi is known as pericardium, and the outer part of this whole framework, means the skeletal muscle, is known as epimysium. It covers the whole muscles. The tendons. The striated muscles or the skeletal muscles are attached to bones by means of tendons. Are found at the end of the muscles. Tendons are like a joint between muscles and bone. They are composed of dense, while fibrous, inelastic connective tissues, and expanded tendon consisting of a fibrous or membranous sheet is called an aponeurosis. The aponeurosis is found on the expanded tendons. Each striated or skeletal muscles has blood vessels and different afferent and efferent innervation. The blood vessels are the the work of the blood vessel is to provide nutrition and to take away the waste material from the skeletal muscles, and the afferent innervation is a sensory type, and the efferent innervation is a motor type of action uh, taken by this innervation. Tomorrow we will discuss about the fine structure of muscle fiber in next topic. Thank you.